Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV, Team R for you, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again in 2022. This is officially the first video of 2022. The other ones, the pre-recorded in 2021. Okay, but I thought I'll just bang them on anyway, put them on YouTube, let's see what happens. This one, officially, first video of 2022. And I'm going to start off with a nice, easy one. Okay, nothing hard for you guys because, come on, let's face it. Start of 2022, we want it to be nice and easy. Right, so we're going to start off with a wiper blade replacement, front wiper blade replacement on a Toyota Prius 2010. Slightly different to a normal wiper blade. So let's do it, let's go. So this is the wiper blade in question here, right? Normal wiper blades, obviously you lift the arm up, okay, and then just take the clip off, happy days, job done. This one, slightly different. It says open there, okay? So what we're gonna do is, Toyota Prius 2010, get a pick, as you can see there, or a flat screwdriver, and we're just gonna pick it here. Boom, that comes off there. And all we do now is, we'll push the wiper blade backwards this way, right, and then lift the wiper arm up. Boom, there we go. Put that down nice and gently. Make sure you don't smash it. And let's get the new one on. Right, there we have it. There's the brand spanking new one from Toyota, Lexus. So it will come like that, as you can see. Yep, that might be closed, so we just flick that off with the pick. Exactly same way we took it off. Put that in there. And all we do is that. There we go. I'll demonstrate again. So it's like that. We put the wiper blade onto the hook there of the wiper arm. Push it down, and then we just pull. Boom, there we go. And all we do is put that back on. Happy days, job done. Normally they have like a little guard on the bottom here. Take that little plastic piece off, which I've already taken off. Job done. Well, that is it, guys. That's it. That's how we replace the wiper blade. That nice easy one to start off the new year. Wiper blade on a Toyota Prius or Prius 2010. Dead easy. Takes you no more than 2 minutes. Let's go. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Try my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. 2022 Raul TV, Team R for you all. Let's go.